at the StealthBond booth, and I am so excited because this is an amazing product. It is on the cutting edge, very disruptive. And I am with Jim Horton, who invented the product and is a product development manager with StealthBond. And he's going to share a little bit about what this is all about and what's so exciting.
Our company has been in the metal roofing business for over 40 years, and common requests come back from our customers. They love metal roofing, they just don't like the screws. That's where the problems first generate. So we developed a system that is not screw attached. It is an adhesive attached system.
Wow.
First in its class, I guess. Yeah. It's fastened with a connector that is fastened to the roof. We add a bead of adhesive on top of that connector and set the metal roofing right in that connector.
Wow, that's cool.
It is a very unique adhesive too.
Yeah.
It's a permanently structural, flexible adhesive.
Wow.
That means the metal roofing can expand and contract without losing its bond to the roofing.
Nice.
Minimizing any cross-panel tensioning or oil canning, and permanently attaching the roofing. It's a unique adhesive in that it is capable of a large extreme in temperatures. It's been tested down to 70 below and up to 270 degrees above without losing its bond.
Yeah.
Which equates to about an 85-year test, an 85-year performance test. Wow. We had to prove that to gain our Miami-Dade County compliance report, which is our latest product approval. We had to go through 3,000 cycle hours of testing. That means we had to do it 3,000 times at 70 below, 3,000 times at over 200 degrees above to prove its adhesion capabilities, permanent adhesion capabilities. Yeah. So it is very unique. From those product testings, we evolved into an ICC product approval, which now grants the system to be capable of being installed anywhere in the continental United States with that product approval. Wow. As an alternative to clips or screws. Makes a very clean system without any fasteners penetrating a perfectly good metal roof.
That is, first of all, congratulations. Miami-Dade, everyone knows how hard that is.
That was a toughie.
Yeah, that's huge. And I'm just really impressed at the fact that you invented this system. What brought that on? What was kind of the backstory there?
Customers come to us and said, hey, we like metal roofing, we just don't like the screws. That's where you have a problem. That's where you have the leaks. You penetrate a screw, and then as that panel expands and contracts, either the screw itself can back out or it can just wallow a hole bigger and you have an opportunity for a leak. Wow. This totally eliminates that. Totally eliminates it.
That is great. That is great. Well, congratulations. And thank you for bringing this to the market, something that the contractors need. Our contractors at Roofers Coffee Shop, they're learning so much. They're involved every day watching you on the site, and we really appreciate you being there.
Really an innovation in the metal roofing.
That is great. Thank you so much.